Hello, my name is Carlos Alvarado. This is MPA 570, Week 1, Problem Analysis video. My problem analysis I have chosen is hate crimes. In 2020, 1,563 hate crimes offenses in California have been reported. Since 2011, hate crimes have risen by 25.5%, according to the California Department of Justice website. Currently, the policy and law for hate crimes is California Penal Code 422.55, and that is the main one. And then, depending on the severity of the crime, and there's other penal codes that will get attached to the 42255, and also depending on how the crime is, if they use like any graffiti or any material like a noose or a swastika or anything like that, that could also have other penal codes implied to the 422.55. Thank you for watching. The websites that I use were the Department of Justice.ca.gov and libguides.law.ucla.edu. Thank you again for your time, and have a good one.